Good day everyone, I'm Cheryl Di Maiyacan, a caregiver student from St. Augustine School of Nursing, Lipa City. And today I'm going to demonstrate on how to burp a baby. Burping is defined as releasing of air bubbles from the esophagus and out through the mouth. So generally, the babies need assistance while burping. Remember that the reason you burp a baby is to release a gas. This is the air that the baby may have taken during a feeding. Babies feel better after burping and the activity helps stimulate baby too. Now, I'm going to discuss two burping techniques. First is the over the shoulder and the second is on the lap. For over the shoulder technique, you can either do this sitting or standing. You can try it both and see which works best for you and your baby. To start, put a burping cloth over your shoulder in case the baby spits up. Then, hold the baby up on your chest so the baby is facing towards you with your arm tucked under the baby's buttocks for support. Use your dominant hand to gently but firmly pat your baby's back between the shoulders, working your way up and down. You can also rub the baby's back after several times. Keep that in mind that breastfeed babies tend to burp less and sometimes don't burp at all, which is perfectly normal. The second technique is where your baby is sitting on your lap. Place a burp cloth on your legs in case the baby spits up and position the baby like this. Then, you can use either leg with the baby facing either way and one open hand is holding the baby's jaw. The forefinger and thumb are used as a sort of wedge with the palm supporting the chest using firm but gentle pressure. Tilt and support the baby's head up a little. Again, use your dominant hand to gently but firmly pat your baby's back between the shoulders, working way up and down. You can also rub his back after several pats. Remember that there is nothing wrong if the baby does not burp every time, and if the baby spits, just wipe and continue. We recommend to burp your baby after feeding at each breast, but if you have express milk, try the halfway through and again after the feeding.